guys, see my homemade beautiful letter cards. Very beautiful. Oh, we are corner. This is nice. Hey, Anyakpokpom. Beautifully made homemade letter cards. You see, if you are a learner and you have been using these letter cards, why won't you learn? In fact, using these letter cards alone can make your learners have fun in the classroom and will be happy willingly to learn. These letter cards are made beautifully by hands. Oh, such a lovely. Oh, see this K. See this E. Handwriting, oh, handwriting. Wow, so beautiful. Oh, so this O there. Because this O is a vowel, so the writing, the ink used, the marker used is red. You see, if you can observe, you can see that all the vowels are different from the consonants. You see, so the vowels, the big vowels are written in red ink, and then the consonant black ink. You can see the I there. Yeah. So lovely. You can contact me if you want. Please like this video, share it to everyone, and let's all learn and use these letter cards to teach our learners. Thank you.